Hi YouTube, this is Scorpion Queen coming at you with an update video on my part wig. Epic fucking fail. The cap I bought yesterday was a, let me see if I still have the, here we go. Let me get it, I'm coming. Was a weaving net, okay, that I got for $2.99 in my local beauty supply. That cap, I threw it away. That cap, if you guys watched my last video, you will see that I put it on and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna work it out because it was kind of small and blah blah blah. Yeah, so didn't work. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on, let me get my thoughts together. So I end up taking all the hair off the cap, throwing the Ratchet cap in the garbage, getting up to go get another cap. The cap I bought this time was a oh my god, a weaving cap. Let me see, it's kind of like a, hold on, hold that thought.